Hi everyone. Welcome to a new video. Today, I'm working on a desktop T-bar machine that has a water suction issue. These bottom-loading machines rely on a small pump to bring water up to the outlet. Upon inspection, I found the 12 volts DC water pump was faulty. Usually, when these pumps fail, you'll see one of three symptoms. Either the machine shuts down immediately due to a short circuit. There's no response at all. Or like, in this case, the motor spins but fails to move any water. Interestingly, even after replacing the pump, water wouldn't flow. I discovered ice buildup inside the pipes because the unit was stored in a very cold room. After carefully thawing the lines, the machine is back to perfect working order. If you want to see the step-by-step diagnostic and the final fix, stick around for the rest of the video. Let's get into the repair.